Signing up for a FreshSales CRM account is a straightforward process that can greatly benefit businesses, particularly those that struggle to keep track of their customers. By having a good CRM in place, companies can increase their conversions and improve overall efficiency. To create an account, start by visiting the company's website, where you can click on the Try It Free option. Freshworks, the company behind FreshSales, occasionally runs promotions, including a free 21-day trial. To begin, enter your first name, last name, work email, company name, phone number, and select the FreshSales product. You also have the option to sign up using your Google login. After providing this information, you will be asked a few questions to help set up your account, such as the industry you belong to. Once you've completed this step, you will be directed to your dashboard, but you won't be fully set up until you activate your account by clicking on the email sent to you. After clicking on the link, you will be prompted to create a password and activate your account. With your account now active, you can start importing customers and inputting deals. The entire process is relatively quick and easy, making it simple to get started with FreshSales CRM.